The A-Class is now on par with larger Mercedes-Benz series in terms of comfort and technology. The reversing camera is a major benefit because it's a very useful parking aid. When you find a parking space, the reversing camera helps you with guidance lines on the display. Then you enter the parking space at an optimal angle. The image moves to match the steering wheel angle and shows you the direction. The horizontal lines show you the precise distance to the nearest object behind the rear bumper. The reversing camera is a great help when using a trailer in particular. So put the vehicle in reverse, activate the trailer mode, and the graphical display guides the towing hitch precisely underneath the drawbar. This also indicates the direction of the steering movement. And now for the most difficult discipline, parking with a trailer. The reversing camera shows precisely in which direction the trailer is moving while parked. Then you can immediately compensate accordingly. Success! The trailer is positioned perfectly in the parking space.